Tom Green, you're an absolute legend, man. Thanks very much for your question. There's a couple of movie tickets on the way to you to say thank you.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Tom, thank you for your question. Questions was, how do you get more visibility on your posts on LinkedIn? So the way that works is when you look at your news feed, like it's based on what sort of stuff you've engaged in before, who you're connected with, what brands are you following, what groups are you members of, will dictate like how your news feed is presented, right? So when you're posting, you've got to think about the same sort of things. Now, if you want people to see your content more, the key is to get them to engage with it, right? If you can get likes and comments, then all of a sudden their network will see your post, and like they're more likely to see your stuff next time. Plus, LinkedIn will give you more kudos, credibility, and know that you're a good publisher, which will promote them to you to a wider audience. So like you can post updates, photographs, videos, or long form posts. At the moment, like updates without a link or without pictures in them do the best. Algorithm's always changing. You've got to mix it up a bit as well. LinkedIn, like see content creators like who mix things up. But look for engagement, like seriously, like start with a headline that's like captures people's attention, because then they'll go read more, and then always finish with something that sparks emotion. So talk about what you're uniquely passionate about. Like if you be boring or you are like politically correct, no one's going to engage, it won't work and be a waste of time. Okay, or ask a question, just like I did yesterday, you know, asked questions for a question. Anyway, so that's the answer. The second part of the question was, is there a way to set up a company page and then drive traffic to it through sponsored updates? Yes, certainly is, Tom. There's 3 different ways that you can pay for advertising on LinkedIn. One is you can promote text ads, you can sponsor content, and then you can pay to directly email somebody. And what's cool at the moment is the way that you can target people. So like, we know that we can target people with certain job titles in certain industries, certain location that follow certain things, but you can also do matched audiences now, which is, you know, something that Facebook's had a while, but Facebook's not a business-to-business type platform, so this is unique. We can import a database, your email database, and you can find them all on LinkedIn and market to them. You can also market to your website visitors, remarketing, which is massive. But it needs to be for the right business, and you've got to remember, like, a lot of this stuff is top of the funnel. Like, you're not going to like post something going, hey, you know, these t-shirts are $2 off, they're only $22 today. People aren't already looking for a commercial outcome, so it's top of the funnel, brand equity. You measure different things than return on investment, like, you know, engagement, traffic, all that kind of stuff, brand equity, and it's like you have to have a system to be able to take the attention down the funnel in order for it to demonstrate return on investment. So typically we see this start to work with businesses that say have at least 50 employees up, if not 100 employees up. It's fucking awesome for recruitment. So yeah, it comes down to strategy, just like with any platform. It's about the same price as AdWords or Facebook. Like they're you know, both pretty expensive, but there's not as much competition on LinkedIn, which is cool, you know. So it's more effective. Peace.